Hey, amazing teachers. Let's be real. Sometimes the first 30 seconds of class feel like wrangling squirrels hopped up on Red Bull. But here's the quick win. Greet every single student at the door with a phrase in the target language. That's it. No glitter, no laminator, no Pinterest board. Just you, the door, and one phrase. For example, you could say ¿Qué tal in Spanish, ¿Cómo se va in French, or Wie geht's in German. Suddenly, you're setting the tone before they even sit down. This is a place where the target language lives, and it's as normal as asking for the bathroom pass. Here's the fun part. You don't even need 50 different phrases, just one or two on repeat. Think of it like your teacher catchphrase. Buenos dias never gets old, especially when you add a little variety. Smile at one student, fist bump the next, nod at another. Or take it up a notch and tie the greeting to what you're teaching that day. If today's verb is tener, greet them with ¿Tienes hambre? And watch them grin or roll their eyes in solidarity. Either way, you just snuck in authentic communication before the bell even rang. And the payoff? Students enter class already primed in the target language. They're not switching gears from TikTok to Hola in zero point 0.2 seconds. You've given them the runway to land. Try it tomorrow and see how fast it shifts the vibe. Less chaos, more connection. And if you're craving more no prep, high impact moves like this, grab the CI Survival Kit, now with Ask a Story slides in French, German, and Spanish. It's like having your own backstage crew, making CI easier while you play the rockstar teacher. Check it out at mm.us/kit.